Bone broth is often touted by dietitians and some healthcare providers for its gut health benefits, but its benefits stretch far beyond just improving digestion. This delicious and nutritious beverage is packed with minerals, amino acids, collagen, and other essential nutrients that can benefit your overall health in numerous ways. In this video, we'll unveil the top 5 health benefits of this ancient elixir and why it is considered a superfood by many. So, grab a cup of warm bone broth and let's dive in. Number 1. Protect the joints. Bone broth is a good source of gelatin, which may break down into collagen in the body. It is also rich in minerals like calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus, which contribute to bone strength. Consuming bone broth may not only help prevent joint pain, but also promote healthy bones and cartilage. Number 2. Reduce inflammation and heal the gut. Some amino acids found in bone broth, such as glutamine, have been shown to help heal the intestinal barrier and alleviate symptoms of conditions like leaky gut syndrome. The gelatin and other nutrients in bone broth also support the mucosal lining of the digestive tract, aiding in digestion and reducing inflammation. Number 3. Support adequate hydration. Bone broth is uniquely hydrating due to its liquid and electrolyte content. This is especially important for people who have a hard time staying hydrated or are recovering from an illness that has caused dehydration. Drinking bone broth can help replenish lost fluids and electrolytes in the body. Number 4. Promote better sleep. The amino acid glycine present in bone broth has been linked to better sleep quality. Glycine may improve sleep by reducing core body temperature and promoting the production of serotonin, which is associated with relaxation and improved mood. Number 5. Benefit your skin's health. This collagen-rich liquid can help improve the elasticity and appearance of your skin. Collagen is a vital component of our skin, and as we age, our bodies produce less of it. Drinking bone broth can help boost collagen levels, reduce wrinkles, and promote a more youthful appearance. It also encourages hair and nail growth, making it a beauty secret worth trying. Apart from that, bone broth can also help support the body's detoxification process, aid in weight loss, and boost the immune system. So it's not just good for your gut, but also for your overall health. You can easily make bone broth at home by simmering bones, vegetables, and herbs in water for several hours. You can also add spices like turmeric, ginger, or garlic to enhance the flavor and increase its health benefits.